But the reality is that problem, as the governor mentioned, is changing. With the cheap emergence of these synthetic opiates such as fentanyl, they're posing a new threat to our communities. So today, the administration is proud to announce a multi-pronged strategy to help combat this evolving threat and increase our focus on prevention, treatment, and enforcement. Now, first of all, to better coordinate our efforts, this afternoon the governor will be issuing an executive order amending the 2015 executive order which established the Interagency Heroin and Opioid Coordinating Council. And it will authorize that council to establish the Opioid Operational Command Center. The center will facilitate greater collaboration between the state and local public health, human service, education, public safety entities, and try to reduce the harmful impact of opioids on our communities. We are introducing the Prescriber Limits Act of 2017, which will limit the duration of prescription opiates prescribed upon an initial consultation to 7 days of supply. As you may have heard me say once before, or many times before, we have to cut that pipeline of new users. So in addition, we will be introducing the Overdose Prevention Act of 2017. This legislation authorized local fatality review teams to review non-fatal overdose data, in addition to the fatal overdose data they currently review. Our overdose prevention proposal expands access to naloxone or Narcan prescriptions without the current training requirements and extends current immunity provisions to pharmacists. Finally, this bill also allows the Office of Control and Dangerous Substance Administration to take action against CDS registration of prescribers or dispensers of controlled dangerous substances based upon investigations of the DEA or state professional licensing boards. We're introducing the Distribution of Opiates Resulting in Death Act of 2017, which will create a new felony punishable by up to 30 years for individuals who distribute an opiate or an opiate analog such as fentanyl that results in the death of another. This allows our authorities to target the drug kingpins who use death and destruction caused by heroin and opioids to their financial gain. So the governor and I look forward to working with the members of the legislature to enact these common sense proposals, and we continue to use all the tools at our disposal to address this crisis and to save lives. So thank you very much.